Another way that you can make more money on Fiverr is to have a longer delivery time. Now, I know that sounds counterintuitive. If you deliver the gigs in a longer time frame, people are going to be less happy. But actually, this is a strategy you can use to get more sales. So firstly, the delivery time is very easy to change. It's under the pricing section in your gig, and you can change it for as long or as short as you want to be. I think all the way up to, here we go, all the way up to 29 days. So the way that you can use this is probably once you have your gig more established, once you've got a good set of reviews built up and you're in maybe a good position in the rankings. Initially, when you're starting out, you might want to try and have a very quick delivery time because you want to build up those orders quickly. And as we said, when we looked at the Fiverr levels, there's certain metrics that you have to hit. So this is something that you do maybe as a level 2 seller or even as a top rated seller. But the way that it makes you more sales is in the following way. Firstly, if you have a longer delivery time, orders start to build up in the queue. So you can see that there's 9 orders in the queue. And the way that can make you more money is when people are browsing your gig and they see, whoa, there's 9 people who have ordered this right now. That is a huge signal for social proof, and they're much more likely to get involved. I know that there are the reviews further down, which they can see for very recent purchases, but it's just way more, in the moment. It's right now. And so it's a real social signal that I think has a lot of power. Now, the other way that it can make you more money is that you can add in extra fast delivery. So if a person can't wait 5 days, if it's urgent enough for them, they can get a 1-day delivery for whatever amount you choose. Now, I can set that as I can set that as whatever price I want, starting as low as $5 all the way up to $100. And I have seen gigs set it as $100, although I think it's too much. My personal opinion is, between 10 and 20 is probably the max that someone's going to pay for a 1-day delivery. And so probably those are the ranges that you can use. Now, the third way that this can make you more money is if you have a 5-day delivery and you deliver it in 3 days or 4 days, well, then you've over-delivered. You've given the customer something they weren't expecting, and they're much more likely then to leave you a higher review or a better review, which then, drives more sales, improves your rankings, etc. So those are the 3 ways that a longer delivery time can make you money. Number 1, as a social proof signal that really gets people to get involved. Number 2, extra fast delivery. And number 3, if you actually delivered before the 5 days or whatever it is that you've set it at, customers are going to be happier and they're likely to give you a great review. So I would encourage you to use those strategies. Again, maybe not initially when you set up your gig, but definitely once you've been established, maybe as a level 2 seller or as a top rated seller.